Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready and connected so Sidecar can run reliably. Make sure your Mac and iPad meet the OS versions and that you're signed into the same Apple ID. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff, then plug in a USB-C or Lightning cable for the most stable link. Once done, open System Preferences on your Mac and select Displays, or click the AirPlay icon to find your iPad. This immediately begins the Sidecar setup and shows your iPad as a display option. Once your iPad appears as a display, decide how you want to work. Mirror your Mac screen or extend it as a second display. In Sidecar Preferences, position the sidebar and touch bar where they're easiest for your workflow and enable double tap if your Apple Pencil supports it. Make sure to open Arrangement in Displays to drag the iPad relative to your Mac, matching physical placement. Then adjust resolution and scaling to balance clarity and performance. This reduces lag when drawing or dragging windows. You finish by using the Apple Pencil and touch input on the iPad as a productive second screen. Drag apps or tool palettes across and use the sidebar for modifier keys. When done, stop Sidecar from the AirPlay menu or unplug the cable. If you encounter lag or the iPad vanishes, first reboot both devices and reconnect the cable. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. If that fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID. Then reauthorize handoff. This clears most pairing and authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.